They said it was just a myth, a ghost story told by smugglers. But deep in this forest, I found her, the vastest hunk of junk in the galaxy. Decades of rot, swallowed by mud and rust. Most people would see a graveyard. I see the ultimate barn find. Time to see what's left of the legend. Had to make a deal with the local fuzzball to get the title. He drove a hard bargain, but the credits were worth it. First step, blast off 30 years of grime just to see the metal. She's heavy, she's broken, she needs a proper garage. Calling in the heavy lift. The damage is catastrophic. The hull looks like Swiss cheese, and the interior is a biohazard. No shortcuts here. We're ripping out the rot, prying off the dead weight, and bringing out the grinder. Let the sparks fly. You can't build on a rotten foundation. Cutting out the cancer, welding in fresh steel. We're laying down thick body filler to smooth out those blaster scars. Sand it down, prime it, and lay on that iconic light gray base. And of course, you can't forget those crimson red stripes. She's starting to remember who she is. Time for the heart transplant. Pulling the Hyperdrive. It's completely seized, caked in black grease and burnt copper. A sledgehammer and a wire brush make quick work of the heavy rust, sandblasting it down to bare, shiny metal. Matte black finish, brand new chrome pipes, and hitting those bolts with the impact wrench. Let's drop this monster back into the bay. Nobody looks underneath, but we do it right. Scraping off decades of hardened oil, firing up the plasma cutter to slice out the dead armor plates. Fresh welds and a heavy coat of rubberized black undercoating. Bulletproof. The cockpit is where the magic happens, but right now, it's a nightmare. Ripping out the dead vinyl, smashing through the rusted floorboards, dropping in fresh diamond plate steel, heavy sound deadening, and pristine white panels. But the real prize? The brand new dashboard. Hooking up the wiring harness. Let there be light. New yoke, fresh leather seats. It smells like a brand new ship. Moving back outside, mating the massive front mandibles, driving the locking pins home, slapping on a brand new radar dish and the heavy quad laser cannons. Now for the final touch on the hull. We're taking the orbital polisher and cutting through the clear coat until this bird shines like a mirror. Flawless. Wiring up the corridors, snapping the bright white circular panels into place, dropping in the cream leather sofa, and of course, the legendary Dejaric holographic table, installing the heavy blast doors, strapping into the racing harnesses, and fueling her up with pure blue plasma. One last thing before we fly. This is the moment of truth. She's pristine. The ramp is up, hitting the main power. Listen to those massive thrusters wake up from a 30-year sleep. Pushing the throttle forward, we have liftoff. Clearing the hangar, the Falcon flies again.
She handles like a dream. Mostly. We've got sparks under the dash. Classic Falcon. Pulling the burnt board, quick soldering job on the fly. Fresh fuse, and we're back in business. Calibrating the quad lasers. Breaking the atmosphere. Hello, outer space. Dialing in the nav computer.
Pressure is optimal. Let's see what this brand new Hyperdrive can really do. Punch it. Dropping out of hyperspace. Uncharted desert planet ahead. Re-entry heat looks good. Dropping the heavy landing gear. Touching down on the sand. Perfect landing.
Shutting down the main reactors. Popping the ramp. Stepping out into the alien sun. Just look at her. From a rusted, rotten shell in the mud to an absolute masterpiece. Every bolt, every wire, polished to perfection, the ultimate restoration. Word gets around fast. Got a buyer lined up, a scavenger named Ray. She paid top credit for the keys.
Wait. Hey, the ramp is closing. Hey, we're not done here. She's taken off. Come back. Unbelievable. Left me in the dust. My masterpiece. Gone. But wait. What is that shining in the sand? Well now, I guess this adventure isn't over